Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this particular video, I'm going to teach you or let you guys know how to fix my WhatsApp voice note not working, or let's say having problem with it. So sometimes what happens is you send a voice note and the voice note won't be there, or let's say you're having trouble with using the voice note. So sometimes it happens. So what you can do is, firstly, you can update your app if it has not been updated. So just go to your, let's say, just go to App Store and then just go, let it load. Just go over search and just search for WhatsApp over there. And if it's not updated, just update it like this. And once the update is complete, just check if the voice note is working or not. Or what you can do is just delete the app once and have it again. So let's wait. The app is currently updating. It's taking a lot. Just have some patience, guys. Have some patience. Will be short of 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. Come on. Just have some patience, guys. And once your app is, let's say, updated, then you can check that if your voice note is, let's say, working or not. It will be working. Otherwise, what you can do is, come on WhatsApp, what's happening to you? Come on, fast. Just check once, or else what you can do is just delete the app and install it again, or just go to settings and go to help, and then go to help center. And just place your problem over here, saying that voice note not working and the problem, like that. And you will have plenty of options, or let's solution over here. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So if you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. We'll be with you. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.